Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to factorize x square plus 6x plus 9. To know more like this, you can visit mathstoon.com or check the link given in the description box. So let's start. This is our given expression. Now we will rewrite 6x as 2 times x times 3 and 9 as 3 square. Now look that this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a is x and b is 3. So we can apply the formula of a plus b whole square here. Doing so, we get this is equal to x plus 3 whole square. Look that it has the exponent 2. So it can be written as x plus 3 times x plus 3. So finally we get x square plus 6x plus 9 is a product of x plus 3 and x plus 3. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave a comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.